this is KG Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Kidao, Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will gonna do another reaction video from EXO, which is their concert in Japan. So this song or this video is combination of their song White Noise, Thunder, Playboy, and Artificial Love. Most of the song here, I didn't hear it yet, like seriously. So without further ado, let's all watch this. Is there something like thirst trap here or whatnot? Please comment down below so that I can prepare myself. Big yawn. What a sexy introduction. Dio. Oh yes. Wait, who is this guy? Is that Lay? I think that is Lay. Okay. Chanyeol? Oh, I love this. I love this choreo. The my god, Guy, the way Guy touches body. Like seriously? Oh my god, the wave. I love the song. Oh, Kai. My god, Kai. Dio. I love Dio here. My god, Dio is smiling. Xiaomin. I love this song. My god, Soho is so sexy. Chanyeol, the way he smiled, like seriously, he's capturing my heart. Oh, Soho. Char. Sehun. Yeah, indeed, Guy is the sexiest one, the way they perform, because the way he look at the camera, it's just like he is seducing me. Oh, they are wet. Are they gonna, like, take off their shirt there? Big yun. I think that is Lay, right? I love the song. Show me. I'm just, you know what, I'm really amazed with them because it's just like they are singing, for me, it's just like the rhythm and the beat of the song is a love song, but the way they dance it's really seductive. It's just like they're seducing me. I think I found the first K-pop that I will stan. Sehun. Imagine, they're really good in vocals, but the way they perform as well, the way they interpret the song, it's really sexy. Love the runs from Chen. Is this Lay, right? Wow. Oh, nice. Oh, the way they move their body, like seriously, they're seducing me. Seriously, they're seducing me. I need some tissue here. I love the song. Kai. Oh, Kai. My god, Kai. Oh, are they gonna sing here? How many hours is this video, is this concert? I think this is in Japan as well. Dio? Okay. Wow! Can we just repeat that? So... Oh my god, Kai! Like, seriously? No wonder why you kept commenting this video to me. Okay. Come on. You. Is that Lay, right? Yeah, I think so. It's Lay. Sehun. Chanyeol. Kai. Oh. Soho. Oh my god, they're so hot. Sehun and Chanyeol, yeah, the rapper. Oh my god, the way! Oh my god, Guy! Like, seriously? It's really hard to choose the bias here. Oh my god, Guy! Yeah, indeed, so he's like a prince. He really looks like so expensive. Kai is slaying here, like, seriously. Okay. Sehun is so manly while Kyle is so... I don't know, I cannot distinguish the aura of Kai. He's really hot yet so sexy. The way... I don't know, I cannot explain why I'm so into Kai right now. Look at him! Wow. The soft tone from Bacon. Wait, so look at the camera. Oh my god, look at the way he smiles. He's thirst trapping me. I think so. Okay, there's another one. Oh my god, this video is so long. my god, this is really, really hot. I think this is the artificial love. Is that right? I love their performance. Like, seriously. It's really hard to focus on one member only. God's home. Yeah, artificial love. This is the artificial love. I don't want to react, guys. I just want to watch this video. What is tear-strapping? Oh my god! Ouch, daddy! Okay. This is a compilation of the songs that something like sexy song? Oh my god, Kai is slaying here. Can someone make a compilation like they're showing their abs and shirtless EXO, please? And send to my Telegram or Instagram. God. Kai really caught my attention here. Of the vocals of Baekhyun. Oh my god, you! Oh my god! Oh my god! Ouch, daddy! Wow, the vocals from Chen. It's a Chen, right? Yeah, Chen. Okay. Who's the... Oh my god, artificial love indeed. They're really, really sexy. Like, seriously. Oh, the way they move their hips though. My god. Already done? Oh my god, is that kind of 50 Shades of Grey? Oh my god, the crowd, look at the crowd. I think I like to ship Kai and the Sohu. Is there any shipping here? Please comment down below. I wanna know. Yes, Kai. Look at Kai, the way he opened his mouth. Fudge. Damn. Alright, there you go guys, that is our for today's video from EXO, which is the White Nose, Thunder, Playboy, and Artificial Love. I really love the song White Nose. White Noise, and then The Artificial Love. Actually, all of the song, I love it. A sexy, sexy song, is that right? Guys, if you have any compilation like sexy compilation or any funny moments or TikTok compilation, please comment down below. Or maybe you can message me on my Instagram, or you can create your own compilation so that I can make a reaction video. So yeah, this is KJ Vlogs, and see you on my next vlog. Bye!